So I'm James Miller and I'm one of the directors at Pragma. Pragma provides kind of strategic advice at the start of a project, but right through it. So we're kind of there, we like to be there from the very beginning because we're kind of setting expectations around the consumer, around the market and how that plays through everything. We're helping think about what the design should be from a consumer perspective. Our architects then get on and design that, but they're using it, they're making those designs based on good insight into consumers, good insight into the market. So it all works really quite well together. So, I think we're, as I mentioned, we're greater than the sum of our parts. We use data-led advice right across the real estate life cycle. So we help clients make decisions all the way from kind of concept through to feasibility for locations and spaces, through to optimization, monitoring of those spaces, all the way through to repurposing. So it's all very much kind of using data and insight, particularly around consumers, particularly around the market, to make more effective decisions about what do our clients want to do with their spaces, how do they use them going forward. We work right across travel, retail, leisure, mixed use as well. Our projects are right across the globe, all sorts of different scales, from kind of the scale of a district level all the way through to assets. We're talking things like airports, we're talking shopping centres, you're talking big residential blocks, all the way through to units. But the great benefit we've got is we kind of, I suppose we're bigger than the sum of our parts. When we work with the rest of the group, so Benoit and Homes Wood and Uncommon Land, they all need this insight that we're bringing together. So it's kind of like the oil in the machine, I suppose, that helps us all work together as a group. I think we look at sustainability in the round. So there's the environmental, there's the social, there's the economic sustainability. It's all part of the same puzzle. So from our perspective, you can only make a good decision about space and location if you've got the information and the data. The key trend going forward is one that's been with us a long time. It's adaptability. It's about creating spaces that can be used for multiple purposes, can serve multiple business models and different populations of people, kind of different times of the week, the day, the year. And I think that plays to sustainability, to making places that are better for the environment, but also means that we're not having to knock things down constantly and what have you. We can readapt and repurpose. So I think the big trend for me as a data person is that in order to make decisions around creating adaptive spaces, we need great data. And what's been very sort of gratifying for me is that the amount of data that's now accessible to us to do that is more than ever, and we all see that going forward.